Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
The store has closed. Please make your way to the exit.
The store is now closed. Please exit now.
The store has closed. Please leave as soon as possible. The store is now closed. Please leave the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please leave the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed.
The store is now closed. Please exit it now. Excuse me? The store has closed.